It's John Davis from Wheatstone, and we are at the West Hall of the Las Vegas Convention Center for NAB 2023. It's W3000 is our booth. We like to call it Wheat 3000. Come out and see us, because it's not just the West Hall, it's the Wheat Hall. This is where the cool stuff happens. This is where the innovation happens. And one of the things we're really excited about is the Layers stream, where we are taking the processing and streaming that we've been doing in hardware, and we're moving this. We've moved that first into a Dell server, and now we're putting that up in the cloud using AWS. So let's think about, why would I want to do that? Well, first of all, I've got control of my streaming through a web browser as well as through our usual software. And you'll notice that the web page looks exactly like the GUIs that you've been using to control our products all along. So we're not putting any new learning curve here. We're just taking what we know works and putting it up in the cloud. Why would I want to do that, you say? Well, let's think about this for a moment. So, say we manage a large number of radio stations. You know, whether you have 10, 15, 200, 2,000, 3,000 stations, you probably only have 2 or 3 people in your company that are really, really good at processing. So in the past, you might have to fly them around and go and tweak boxes and listen to it and all of that. And now we can just have them sit wherever they happen to be in the country and set the processing, manage it, make sure everything is okay, and all through the same interface. So let's look at this. Right now, we have 8 formats running through this. The first 6 are coming from our facility in New Bern. We're taking 6 stations worth of audio, and we are putting that through the public internet to AWS, and we're monitoring that here in Las Vegas. But also we've got 2 channels coming out of here, stream 7 and 8. They're coming out of this Blade 4 sitting next to me, and we're encoding that using RIST, which would be the Reliable Internet Streaming Protocol, I believe is the terminology for that. But using that, we are sending uncompressed audio here from the show floor to AWS. We're matching all the bits together and coming back and listening to it here locally, all using public internet. You know, so think about that. So we've got, you know, multiple streams from multiple markets, all running through the same thing. It simplifies your operations, and it really scales well depending upon the type of facilities that you run. So we'd like you to come by and see us at W3000 at NAB. Some other exciting things happening this year. We have a new audio processor for you to look at. It is the Audioarts Lion. This is a new entry-level audio processor, which has a lot of the features of our the bigger processors in our lineup, but it's priced for smaller stations. So that's an exciting thing. We also have a new voice processor, the Voice One. It's a cute little half-rack unit box. That is here on the show floor, and that'll be available for you to purchase as well. And of course, all the great consoles you've come to expect from Wheatstone here at W3000, the West Hall, the Wheat Hall at NAB 2023.